grassroots demonstration. 2 weeks ago, the only organization calling for a public inquiry was the Canadian Civil Liberties Association. Less than 2 weeks ago, every public official in this city, in this province, said there'll be no public inquiry. Now we have a list, and you see it on your flyer, of many organizations calling for a public inquiry. Amnesty International, the Canadian Labour Congress, the Canadian Federation of Students, Ontario Federation of Labour, Greenpeace Canada. I could go on, but it's on your flyer. And 2 weeks ago, no one was for a public inquiry. Today, there are 3 public inquiries being called. But it's not enough. We want a public inquiry at the provincial and federal level that points the finger